Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December the 20th, 2021. We're going to talk about Binance today. We're going to see if this market is set to collapse, because if so, that's going to be bad news for a lot of people who are looking for the price to go up. But for us, we'll be cool. We'll be copacetic because we are planning on that to happen anyway. So before I break down our newest price prediction in Binance, guys, make sure you hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. I want you all to see and understand that this is relatively easy to determine where prices are going to go. I'm not going to confuse you. I'm just going to simply look at this chart, these price bars and the volume to determine what is the market trying to do. Where are they trying to go? So let's go ahead and dive right on into my last price prediction that I did in Binance. You guys can see it. It's right here. I was telling you all back here on November the 28th. I was like, hey, go back and listen to the video. Be prepared for Binance to dip. Be prepared for the price to come down. And look at the market so far. Has price been coming down in Binance? Yes, it has. So that was pretty much on par for what we expected the market to do. So on this side of the world, we're not scared. We're not nervous. We're not questioning, scratching our heads, trying to figure, okay, why in the world is Binance going down? There's so much positive news out in this space. Why is the market going down? Because the market already told us ahead of time where it was trying to go. So I want to say congratulations to everyone who was able to at least grab some of this profitability out of the market. Like if we were to get out the market right now, today, yeah, we'll have about 12%, right? Now, right here on December the 4th at the low, could have around 16%. Cool. So let's go ahead and get rid of that, because the reason why you clicked on this video is because you want to see if the market in Binance is going to continue to go down. Will we see the price collapse? Well, I mean, for one thing, you guys can see that price is now trading below this ascending line. That is so important. That's one thing that lets us know that price is set to continue to go down. Price has broken this trend. The market in Binance was upholding to this trend all the way back here in the beginning of October. The price was going up. But then here in December, price has broken that trend. So for one, we should not be expecting the price to go up right now. No, we shouldn't. Because now price is on a decline. Price is going down. Okay. So we got that out the way. That's one reason why we could possibly see the market in Binance continue to go down. Now, the second thing that we need to determine is, okay, cool. If we're looking for the market to go down in Binance, how low are we looking for it to go? Right? We're not looking for price to come all the way down to $40. No, let's be a little more realistic in terms of where we can notice the buyers. Where do you think the buyers are at? We need to make that determination. So what I'm going to do, I am going to take this line here and I want to show you where the initial set of buyers are at. Okay, they're here. This is where the buyers are at. Yeah, they're trying to prop up Binance price right there around $515. Now that's only momentarily, because I'm going to show you a further out time frame of price chart and show you that this is not going to hold. Yeah, I'm not expecting this $515 price level in Binance to hold. So we need to lower this somewhat. Then we need to see the next area that we can see buyers. What about here? $445. What do y'all think? If it's not going to be $515, maybe $440. Let me show you all the 3-day time frame. Okay. So here it is. We got 12 hours and 10 minutes left on this current 3-day price bar, which is right here in Binance, right here. All right. You can tell over the last 3-day price bars that the market in Binance has been closing lower than the previous 3-day price bar. We've only seen one positive 3-day price bar right here in Binance, just one. Pretty much for the month of December, the prices has been coming down in Binance. So we're still seeing weakness here on the 3-day time frame. This is Binance on the 5-day. I mean, you guys can visually tell that this price is not strong. Look at this on the weekly. So the market here in Binance is still showing us that there's more selling going on than there are buyers. Now, for one, I'm not necessarily seeing the market in Binance as extremely weak. Can we see price collapse? Yes, we can. Maybe around 10%, 15% chance we can see that. So I'm not going to necessarily predict that, but I'm going to play the weakness though. Yeah, I'm going to play the weakness. I am going to expect the price in Binance to come down. Now you might see this a little bit better, that the market may actually come to 480 as well too. Yeah, we can see the price in Binance hold $480 before we see it come down to 440. Then check this out. This is the trend right here. We can see price in Binance come and test out this overall trend. Look at where we at. Back there to that 440. Just like I was telling you earlier, we can see the buyers come into the market in Binance right here around 440. Now we will want to see that. I'm gonna keep it real. This is the overall trend in the space in Binance. Look at it. All right. So we cannot allow Binance price to really break $440. We need to see it bounce right there. If we don't see the market bounce in Binance there, then we understand that we are in a bear market and we're going to go a lot lower in price, and literally anywhere the market will have to find support. Like we can see the price come all the way down to $200, but I mean, I know that's an outlier. I know that's very slim to, nobody's really expecting that to happen. But I mean, when you break this overall trend, I mean, we've been in this trend in Binance since the beginning of the year. So here we are towards the end of 2021, and price is expected to come back down and try to test that 440 area. So I got two areas. I'm looking at 480 and 440. That's it. I already know what the premise is going to be into the market in Binance, while everyone else is trying to get you to look at technical indicators. Oh yeah, I want to show you all the 2-week time frame. Look at this. From a 2-week perspective, this is also showing me that the price is weak, that we need to expect the market in Binance to come down, at least in the next 2 weeks. And then what happened when you look at this on a monthly time frame? See that? We got 11 days and 13 hours, but still, we saw 2 fantastic months in Binance, right? October, November, we got rejected at 680, and now we're coming right back down. Now, in the next 11 days and 13 hours, if we close here towards the low end of the bar, then yeah, we're going to go a lot lower and possibly even break this trend of Binance going up for the whole year of 2021. So now I'm gonna take this back. Like I said, I'm looking for the price in Binance to go lower, maybe not necessarily collapse, but my first spot for us to nibble and profit from would be 480. Second area is going to be 440. Okay, that gives us around 14% movement to the downside. So everyone else is going to be running around scratching their head trying to figure out why price is coming down in Binance, and we will already be in position expecting it to happen. That's it. So I'm in position. This is my price prediction as to where I'm looking for the market in Binance to go without the confusion. So now I want you all to tell me, where do you see Binance going to round out 2021? Hit me up, leave me a comment. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.